Bobcats have the largest population out of all the species of wild cats existing in the United States. Despite the number of bobcats plummeting during the early years to the 20th century as a result of them being hunted because of their soft spotted fur, there are still about 2 to 3 million individual bobcats existing in the U.S. alone. Bobcats are solitary animals that move and hunt alone. They are highly territorial. They tend to have a territory ranging from 1 to 40 acres of land, with the males having a much larger territory than the females in all regions. Bobcats hunt primarily at night, and they can do so because they possess some characteristics which aid them. Their excellent sense of vision and hearing helps them to effectively hunt at night, and their strong and sharp teeth allow them to capture and hold down their prey. Bobcats have eyes that contain a tissue called tapetum lucidum, often found in nocturnal animals, that allows them to adapt very quickly to low levels of light, and this gives them great vision when hunting at night. The lynx genus consists of 4 species, which are the Canadian lynx, the Iberian lynx, the Eurasian lynx, and the bobcat. The bobcat is also a type of lynx, but it is often confused with the Canadian lynx because they are more similar to each other than to the rest of the group. Bobcats are found in North America. Thus, they have deep roots in Native American culture. They are linked together with the coyote in Native American mythology and are represented as the opposite of the coyote. Although a bobcat is usually very silent, it can make noise for communication when the need arises. Bobcats meow mostly, but can also scream, yelp, hiss, purr, yowl, snarl, and even bark. For example, when they are being hunted, they make noise to alert nearby animals. Bobcats do not have only one mate. During mating seasons, a male bobcat will try to mate with multiple females, and a female will mate with numerous males until the mating season ends. This mating season usually peaks during January and February. Bobcats can retract their claws, hence their claws do not touch the ground, which ensures that the claws do not wear and tear. This protects the sharpness of the claws and helps them to attack prey quickly. A direct register is when the hind paw almost lands or lands perfectly on the front paw while walking. Bobcats do this while walking to minimize the noise made during walking, which helps them in moving stealthily and creates fewer tracks on the ground, which prevents predators from easily tracking them.